In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about dynamic content in Klaviyo. So there's a few different bits of dynamic content you can do, but I'm going to show you an example. So you can create a new campaign. Let's say we're going to this one here. I'm going to go to the content here. So you can do dynamic content like dynamic variables. So in the subject line, you could do hey, and you could put this in here, curly bracket, space, first underscore name, space, curly bracket. Now this is a dynamic variable which puts their person's first name in there. So if they're called Sarah, it will say hey Sarah. That's one way you can do it. Now you can do this everywhere with there's tons of different variables. You can, if you go here, it's called add personalization, I believe. So yeah, it shows you different properties. It's first name, last name, organization. Depending on what you've got, you can do that. Now something else you can do is you can grab a product here, you can fit a product. So now you can go dynamic or static. So dynamic is going to be, you can do it from a specific category on Shopify, or you could do recent product feed. You can go down here, see all these different dynamic options. So best selling products, most viewed products, newest products, random products, and these are personalized dynamic ones. So products a customer has recently viewed, product a customer may also like, and product a customer has added to cart. So you can put those into there. Once you're done with that, you can hit save, and it will look weird, but it will be dynamic for every different user, so that, and it will look weird in here, but it will work for the customers. Press preview and test to make sure it does. Now, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.